Hey, UK council tenants, are you aware of your legal rights? Today, let's dive into the essentials that you absolutely need to know to ensure you're not just occupying a space, but truly living in your home with the rights you deserve. First off, let's talk about your right to repairs. As a council tenant, you have the legal right to live in a property that's safe and in good repair. If there's an issue, your council is typically responsible for fixing things like heating, plumbing, and the structure of your building. But remember, for smaller issues, well, that might just be on you. Moving on, how about your security? Evictions are a serious business. Your council must provide a legitimate reason for eviction and follow a strict legal process. They can't just ask you to leave without proper justification, like rent arrears or breach of contract, and even then they need to serve you a notice first. So you have time to respond. Next up, the right to swap. Yes, you heard that right. If you're looking to move, you can swap your home with another council or housing association tenant, anywhere in the UK. This is called a mutual exchange, and it's your legal right, provided you get the approval from your council. Now, what if you want to spruce up your place? As a council tenant, you usually need permission for significant alterations. But don't worry, you can still make your place feel like home. Just make sure to send in a request and get that approval in writing before you start knocking down walls or changing the building structure. And finally, let's not forget about succession rights. If a council tenant passes away, the tenancy can sometimes be passed on or succeeded to a spouse or family member. However, there are specific rules about who qualifies, so it's important to check with your council. Understanding your rights empowers you to live more comfortably and securely. If you ever feel these rights are being overlooked, don't hesitate to seek advice from a legal advisor or your local tenants association. Remember, knowledge is power, and in your home, you should always feel powerful. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to stay informed and assertive about your rights as a council tenant.